I am super excited to have you in this class today. Today, we are going to look at the topic that says how to upload videos correctly. Yes, how to upload videos correctly. There is a way to upload videos when it comes to Rumble channel. You don't just upload anyhow. There are process you need to follow to upload your videos. And these are the things we are going to lecture you on today, to upload them in the proper way that when you finish uploading, you will see that video will be people will be viewing it, because there are some things you need to do before you upload videos. So during this training now, all these things will be exposed to you. So I want you to write as the class is going on. Be writing, write things out. So because I'm about taking you into the practical session now. Make sure you are writing so that you will not make mistake. And don't forget, always follow us, subscribe and comment, like. Thank you. See you in the practical session.
Now, we are going to upload. As I will teach you this step by step so that you are not going to miss any of them. As I will teach you how to upload, once you see this upload video go live, you understand? So you have two options. But this one now, if you want to upload like 3 hours, 4 hours, if you want to be live, your fans want to see you, there's available, Rambo create that community for everyone. But this now, what we are doing now is I want to upload the content for you to see. Understand? So these are the things you will see once you click on this aspect. So then, as you can see, just keep watching. These are the videos I have already, so I want to upload this video. I click on it, it's loading. Then I write the title. Understand? The title, video information is the title. Kidney problems in Nigeria. Then the video description. Video description is you talk about what the video is you give details, the synopsis of what the video is talking about, in case anybody that wish to visit your channel, you know that okay, this description now, this person is saying this is very interesting content. Let me go there and watch. You understand? So kidney problems in Nigeria, and then why you should avoid this sickness. Understand? So you say categories. I choose entertainment. I choose the first option. Understand? So this thumbnail where you can upload. There's an avenue. There's an avenue. There's a avenue, yes, that you can choose your thumbnail. So, but if you like, if this one is not okay, you can copy this thing. Then let's go to chat. Yes, chat GPT. Understand? So I paste this. I said I need a title. I need a SEO and the tags of this title. Bam, boom. You are going to see the information now. What is going to bring? Yes, look at the description now. That is that SEO description. I will copy them. Copy them. Then minimize the program. Go to that video description. I hope you people are learning. So then you post it. Yes. Then you go back. You will see tags. Tag is very, very important in this our community. If you post with that tag, you are not going to get views. So anything you are doing, make sure that you tag, so that people that is searching that kind of problem can be able to get your content easily. Then you go there, you see where you see tags option. You paste it. Understand? You paste it. Yes. Then you go back. Understand? So you go back. You still ask that listen to generate thumbnail for with YouTube size. Understand? So just follow this instruction. Understand? So it's now generating the thumbnail that we are going to use. Really catchy one that it will make people to, it will attract viewers, it will attract people to watch our content or your content. You understand? So while we wait for network to finish working on this, you understand? So these are the things you need to know about this channel. Understand? Is a paid channel that pays like YouTube. You earn in dollar like YouTube. Understand? So stay with me while I finish the setup and everything you need to know. Understand? So I've taught you how to get followers. You can see, wow, see the nice thumbnail. So you save it so that it will come straight to your gallery. Understand? So it's loading. As you can see, it's loading. It's saving. It's saving. It's saving. Yes, saved. And then we are going to minimize it. Minimize it. You go to choose your own. You click yes. Understand? So yes, you add features. You add setting. Upload. This is where you accept terms. You have not signed a script agreement with any other parties. You said yes. You are going to click yes. Click if you agreed our terms. You click yes. The next thing again, you submit. You submit it now. Understand? So we have created this channel professional.
All right. I believe we have learned a lot today. I want every one of us to begin to carry out the practical now, and make sure you do your own. There are many of you that did not partake in the practical session for the yesterday class. Make sure you do your practical, and always subscribe and follow and comment. Thank you very much. God bless you.